welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then thank you so much for joining us. In this video, we'll be covering the main mission called A New Journey. This mission has 26 side missions that I've counted, so I marked them so that we could count them like a game because, why not? The video's long as heck anyways. And it's absolutely ridiculous the way Undawn does things. It's so funny. They're so fast. If I didn't mark them, you'd probably miss them. Alright, so let's get to the main mission first. You have to go to Undawn. It's right here on your map. This is where the dude is. And we're getting started. Here's the first side mission. It's called Cursed Blade. Here's the second one called Where's the Bad Luck Coming From? There's the third one. Where's the warehouse manager? Number 4 is Find the Safe. Number 5 is called Lockpicking. It had me stumped for a second. I thought maybe because I skipped the cutscenes and what they say that I missed it. But I opened up missions and it's right there at the bottom. The number is 603. Number 6 is Look at the Registry. Seven is Investigate Trevor. Eight is Go to the Harvesting Point. 9 is Examine the Remains. You'll see these are getting faster and faster. 10 is Pick up the biomass. 11 is Pick wild berries. This one's a bit longer, but only because you spend it picking berries. 12 is Return to Undawn, and then it's immediately 13, Submit wild berries. Now it's Trevor's whereabouts, then Helpful Stranger. "16 is Track the Assassin. 17 is Pick up the ring, and 18 is Keep investigating. "19 is Question the Suspect. 20 is Lin Chun's Past. It goes by really quick. Unforgivable Sin, Return the Ring, Tracking the Murderer. 24 is The Path Ahead. 25 is Labor is the Best Path of Redemption. And finally, 26 is called Curse Removal. Now run back and talk to Philip and it'll complete the quest. Thank God. Oh my God. You do get a cute haircut though in 8,000 silver. This is what the haircut looks like. Or hairstyle, whatever. It's pretty cute in the back. Looks like it's been straightened. But I like mine better. It's all fluffy. My hair is really thick in real life, so I like that one better. But this is already long enough. Moving on. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more of my videos. I'll be uploading a new one every week. And if you would like to further support my channel, I'll leave the links down below for my social media in the description. You can also go to the Buy Me a Coffee link. I don't like coffee, so I picked a taco. But if you buy me a taco there, it really does help me out because I don't actually make any money doing this. If not, though, that's okay. Only if you're able to and want to. Either way, I appreciate you guys so much. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.